Good morning, class 1. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, in the last class, we discussed about the holiday homework, also done revision of chapter 1, introducing myself. Today we are going to do the revision of chapter 2, my body and its organs. We learned in this chapter we have many parts in our body. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 10 fingers and 10 toes. How do we see? We see with our eyes. How do we hear? We hear with our ears. How do we taste? We taste with our tongue. How do we smell? We smell with our nose. So there are many parts in our body which helps us to do many things, whatever we want and however we want to do. So in our body parts, our hands help us to write, to draw, to eat, etc. And our legs helps us to walk, to run, and our eyes helps us to watch many things. The plants, the flowers, to watch TV, mobile, to study, etc. Our eyes helps us. And we hear with our ears what others speak, what others tell, and we also can hear the music, the songs, etc. through our ears. And we smell the good smell, the good fragrance through our nose. Also we can smell the bad smell, which is not so good. And we taste with our tongue the good food, the tasty food, or whether it has more tasty or more salt, how it is, etc. Our tongue helps us to taste. Okay. In this chapter, my body and its organs, our body parts is very important, and the organs which is in our body. So it helps us to do many things. So we need to take care of our body parts by eating good food, taking daily bath, doing many exercises, etc. We can take care of our body. Through this, we can keep our body fit and healthy. So, in this chapter 2, my body and its organ, we learnt the body parts which is in our body, which helps us in many ways to do many things that we like. And we also learned the body parts we should take care of it to keep fit and strong by doing exercise, eating good food and taking daily bath, so we can keep clean. Okay children, In this chapter 2, my body and its organ, as we learned, we have many body parts. Each part helps us to do all our activity well. Okay. Today, as we revised this chapter 2, my body and its organ, I request all of you, dear children, learn the chapter 2, my body and its organ. Learn each body parts, what it is and how it is helping us to do our daily task. Okay, children, all those who are not completed your holiday homework, please complete it and send it for the correction, because it carries 10 marks for your UT examination 1. Okay, we end the class here. Okay, children, now please do complete the holiday homework, also the chapter 2. Do revise, do revision of this chapter, my body and its organ. Okay, wish you all the best. Do well.